In today's tutorial, we are going to cover watchlist at askkobe.com. When you click on the watchlist, you'll see a login page if you are not logged in. Registration is very simple. You need to provide your email address. We will confirm your email address and you are ready to use registered feature. Once you logged in, you will see the summary page. It, it shows there are two watch lists I have. One is the follow demo 1, and second is follow demo 2. You can have as many watch lists, and for today's purpose we'll create one more. Let's say its name is YouTube demo. When you create a watch list, you can assign an index to the watch list. In our example, we are assigning IT index. Idea is you can compare the return of your watch list and with the index. So down the road it will tell whether you are able to beat the index of the, and we can assign some expected return. Let's say we define 25%. So we will see that watch listed added here. You can remove any watch list at any time. So by clicking on the cross button, you can modify some features of the watch list, such as the benchmark index and the name or the expected return. Now we will add companies in the watch list. So the company page appear. Right now there is no company. So we click on the add company record. So you will see the model panel appearing, which is showing the company. So let's say Infosys Technologies Limited. Notes are the purpose to remind you what was the reason you added in the watch list. Let's say you added because Share Khan recommended. You can enter shares and price also. If you don't enter, we will take the last traded price of the Infosys and divide 1 lakh rupees by it to calculate the number of shares you might have bought. Idea is we assume that you are buying 1 lakh rupees share for each stock. This we are doing to calculate the return of whole watch list. We'll cover this slowly in next minute soon. So we added that. Infosys is shown here. We can add one more company. Let's say Tata. So we added Tata Consultancy Services here. Recommended by Sher Khan. So now we can change the details by clicking on the demo. So it will show the companies in the demo 1 watch list, or we can see the demo 2 watch list here. When you click on the fundamental, you will see the fundamental information of the company. Come in a minute. So here is the fundamental page. We are seeing company name, market value, EBITDA, debt to market value, profit growth, revenue growth, share ratio. So these are the few information which we are providing at a glance. So this is all what you need to do. Now let's cover one by one the key features and how they are displayed. On the summary page, we are showing you the name, the benchmark. So benchmark, if you remember, we added when we are creating a watch list, and the current value is the value of watch list, assuming that we invested 1 lakh rupees in the watch list. So if it looks like there will be two stocks in that, that's why this is 2 lakh. You can override it, you can provide your own price and shares, so in that case it will keep track of your actual investment. Then return is in the one day, in the last one day, this has given 3.02% return. The benchmark is 6771, so it means IT index is this value, and it has not, because there is only one day, so it is not showing any change. Annual return is the return of your watch list, come annualized. And time weighted return neutralize the effect of amount invested in the watch list. That's why we have taken the 1 lakh rupee just to get some numbers. So if you see that demo 1 is giving 81% return annualized, while demo 2 is giving 34% return annualized. On the detail page for a watch list, let's see what all we are seeing. We are seeing the current price of the company, what was the previous day price, what at what price you added in the watch list, what is the change in the last one day, and how much it has gone up since you added in the watch list. So you can see, you can sort them. So you can sort them, you can delete any company when you want. Now the fundamental we already covered. So these are the, now how we recommend you to use. There are many ways you can use it. So the main feature we have, that we provide the returns at a summary level, which are annualized. So what you can do, you might be having many sources from where you are getting the stock tips, so you can create one watch list for each such sources and compare the return. So whenever they recommend a stock, add into your watch list, and you will see which source of recommendation is doing better, and then it may be worth following. This covers today's watch list tutorial. Have a nice day.